Howdy partners, welcome back to another video. It's been a minute. If you guys don't know, I'm also trying to get back into the workforce, searching for a job. While on top of that, studying this and being stressed out because I haven't got yet. But appreciate you guys. I just broke 600 subs, which is amazing. I think shout out to Dave. He's shouted me out a couple times, and I really appreciate that. Um, Definitely just studying and working in the background, trying to get to a place where I could actually help people. But for now, I got to focus on my own profitability and just kind of getting the accolades so, you guys could trust me or whatever. But I'm still working on my combines. About, I was 50% of the way to passing, but been having a little bit of a rough start to this month. So minus 2 hours or so for the month. But still working on it. Haven't blown the account. We'll see what we can do with that. But anyways, this video is going to be a quick back testing video. I'm just going to try and get 3 solid wins or 3 solid trades in and calling it a day like how I'm supposed to do when I'm actually trading live. So I'm going to be on the 15-second the whole time. Obviously, you always want to zoom out, kind of find out where you are. But I'm going to do my best to just stick to the right side of price action and see what I could do. So let's get it. 3 trades and we out of here. Just looking for zones. Let's see if we make a new high here. I'll take the retracement back. Here we go. So I'm going to be looking for a trade somewhere down below here, and I'll just market order in. Take it for a quick scout. I've been playing around with a couple different things. Do I want to take 50 taps? Do I want to take a more discretionary approach, read price action and, wait for a little candlestick structure shift, little flip or valid low. And really there's pros and cons to both. If you're waiting for the 50 tap, price is going to leave you a lot. And you're going to have to be okay with that. And I guess a caveat to all this is pretty much if you get market structure wrong, you get your zone wrong, it doesn't matter how you enter, you're gonna take a L. So keep that in mind. It doesn't matter, what entry model you're using if you're not on the right side of the market. With that being said, right now I'm gonna see if I could, follow price action and take, I guess, a valid low and a market order type entry for this video. We'll see what happens. So we're still putting in new zones. I definitely would like it down here. Top Step is so nice, man. The trading view charting and everything. Let's see, we got this first tap back in here. And it's just leaving. Maybe somewhere in here. Got this big zone right here. But I'm not really concerned with that. I'm trying to stay on the right side. This is a potential area for reversal, so keep that in mind. Just focused on this price action over here. I'm gonna speed it up a little bit. Tapping into a bearish area. So you could potentially have some rules around not taking trades up here. Or not taking longs right here. Hold on, let me slow this down. We have this big piece of price action down here. Flip. Would be down below this. This isn't a valid zone right here. This one isn't actually either. So I like this. We'll see. It's 15 seconds, so 15-second doesn't run anything. Order flow is changing bearish. Might just get a reaction out of here and then flip. But let's see. Come below this yellow line. Try to market order in. Stop below this. We could also just run all this. Okay, so we swept it. Now I want to see a bullish candle here. I don't know why my timer is not showing. Put on this candle close.
Order filled.
I'm gonna put my stop right below here. Potential to get swept again. And sometimes trades will be good. Everything will look great and it'll still lose. So you have to deal with probabilities as well. You have to choose the right zone. Even if you choose the right zone, sometimes it might just get wicked out. With taking this entry here, there's a possibility that we sweep this again. And then potentially I could take another entry again. Assuming this is like the 5 of an SBS. We'll see. We can close up above this bearish candle. That'd be nice. You know, I'm thinking price could come back up here to this 50, but you guys seen it. Price doesn't have to go tap no 50. Doesn't even have to get back to the zone all the time. So, you know, don't count on it. It's not 100%. But if we come up here, you know, hopefully the target's the high. And we'll get out right before the high. This one would be nice. It's a 1 to 2 RR. $10 points offered. We close it right now. Got pretty close.
Target filled.
There we go. Target filled. All I did was have a valid zone. I'm thinking we're bullish for the intermediary. You know, order flow is bullish. We have a target. We broke out the range, tap back in, made a new high. Everyone here who got long for this first tap, stops are probably below here. Get them out of there. Get another move up for the 4 or 5 right here. 1, 2, damn, Ninja Trader, bro. 3, 4, and the 5 would be this pullback in, and 6. Targeting the high, but it doesn't have to get there. So, you know, just remember that. Especially if you're not using any higher time frame kind of narrative. All right, on to the next trade. back in. I don't know if I'd expect it to go back to the highs. This big zone, we got a tap. Let's see if we get any sort of formation right here. God, dude, charting on here is horrible. Double top. A lot of times price comes back up here to tap the 50. Video 5 of Dave's masterclass. I can't change time frames because it'll remove my executions. But maybe on a higher time frame, this could be the first tap right here. I could see us coming down to the lows. But my concern is I just want to get involved in this price action right here. So I'm going to speed it up a little bit. See what happens. The SBS plays out from all sides. Potentially a first tap here. But I don't want to get too far ahead. Price. So we failed to take this high. So right now I'm looking to see if we have a short opportunity in here. I'm looking for like a first tap. Let's see this little tap. Let's wait for something that's a little bit more clear to me. Clicked below. Potentially, I see some people taking trades where this is the first tap and it's not even back in the zone. I don't know about that. But, you know, to each their own. This little zone right here. First tap, new high. Let's see. I'll take this long in here. Let's see what happens up here. I don't know if this is a first tap, made a new low. Potentially I could take a short here. Back down into here. Let's see. We're on a higher time frame. This whole thing right here is the first tap. It's really hard to tell. This is the first tap. Potentially could come back up here to sweep this. Just follow price action. See if we can get a nice bearish candle. Close.
Order
Close below.
filled.
So we'll try it. We'll see. You're taking this first kind of high. There's always potential for it to get ran again. You know, assuming if the 5 sweeps. That's kind of just the risk you take if you're trying to take the 4. I guess if you wait for a second confirmation, we swept it right there. I hope we keep it there. Then that would be the 5. If we close below this bullish candle, I like it. And I like the TP as well. We come if the target is sweeping this little low right here. We are on lower time frames. You know, I may be missing something that's happening on the 1 minute. You know, if the higher time frames playing out, this zone won't hold and we'll come sweep this, or you know, anything could happen. Like I'll get stopped out, swept again. This is a big candle, bullish candle, so this sweep right here. Did, bro, missed this. See that? This range right here, first tap, new high, sweep. And this is a 4-5 right here. Missed that. Let's see if it delivers. There's this range right here. Oh man, that might have been the first tap. Come run these highs. And then return down here. We'll see. I'm already in the trade. Just let it play out. Let the probabilities go. No matter what, there's some discretion involved. But if you're only targeting 1 to 2s, I think you need like a 30% win rate. Maybe 40%. I don't remember. I'm going to speed it up a little bit. I would like to... come on, come sweet, bro. Honestly, that's pretty close.
Target filled.
There you go. And just like that, $100 might be a good time to stop. Let's go for one more trade since it's back testing and we're up. Let's see. Tap. I don't want to try to predict the future too much. So we'll just look for another zone that we like. And I've been thinking with the first tap back into a zone, it's a good filter to make sure that the 3 always makes a new high. Because before I would always take, even if 3 doesn't make a new high, I would still take the sweep of 2. But let's see. First tap, 4, 5. Scalp. What's playing out here? I'm not sure. Look for something else. First tap, maybe up here. this zone right here. Got that first tap. Let's make equal highs, or even better, break this high. Tap. I think that's close enough. So anywhere down here, I'm looking for potential long. There's also this first tap though. So I may not take this one and wait for this one. Let's see. Flip in. Not sure. Tap. I like this one down here better. Right here. Let's see. Speed it up a little bit. See if this video can be under 30 minutes. Oh, coming back up here. Swept this high. So potential short from here. We got the no candle closure yet. So here, I'm gonna go ahead and
order
mark
filled.
it in. And we'll see as our decision making and luck ran out. Just broke this high here. Peaked out. Could come up to this 52. Yep, stopped out. So that's 3 trades. Risked 9 points on that one, so wasn't bad. Shorted here. Third tap. See, there's discretion in here. I don't know. Is that a first tap right there? New high. But I don't remember what I was expecting from price already. Up here. But that's 3 trades. So I gotta call it there. Just like how I'd call it in real life. You know, practice those habits that keep you in the game. And obviously for the video, I don't want it to be too crazy. I know everybody's attention span is ass. So you guys can see the P&L right there. It doesn't really matter as much as, you know, getting the process down. Like I said, the habits, but up 70 on this random day. Not bad. Leave some comments down below if you see that I made some mistakes. Leave some questions below. Happy to try and help. Nothing in here is financial advice. Appreciate you guys for 600 subs. Shout out to y'all. Hit that like button. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.